everyone, this is Coco from Sonacme. Today I would like to show you the ring test chamber. What is the product most afraid of? A sudden down power or an accident splash? Don't worry, this IPX1234 comprehensive water spray test chamber is the ultimate water resistance examiner for your products. One machine for waterproof rating testing. IPX1 Vertical G, IPX2 Tidal Strip, IPX3 and 4 Swing a pipe to spray the rim. Before your products leave the factory, simulate real harsh environments to identify waterproof flaws in advance. This helps save massive post-sales costs and safeguards your brand reputation. You want to learn more? Feel free to follow Sonacme Technology.